Today is Sunday, January 30, 2022. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of Central Contra Costa. Dress for cold. The temperature today should reach up to 58 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring plenty of water out today, because humidity is at 59%. You can expect no rain and no snow today. Not many clouds. We've got light breeze at about 3 miles per hour. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. In our next story, digging out, Massachusetts cleaning up after blizzard. WCVB Boston. Tewksbury, Mass. For our next story, what would happen if an asteroid hit Earth today? New York Post. An asteroid isn't expected to crash into Earth anytime soon, but space agencies keep an eye out for them just in case. In our next story, Tom Brady expected to retire, a look at the economic ramifications for the Buccaneers and QB. CBS Sports. Tom Brady raised eyebrows several years ago when initially stating he wanted to play football at least until he's 45. The idea seemed far-fetched. In other California news, tens of thousands on East Coast left without power after mighty nor'easter. New York Post. Tens of thousands of people were without power Sunday morning after the East Coast was plunged into a deep freeze in the wake of the powerful nor'easter that dumped mounds of snow. For our next story, Travis Kelce close to joining Jerry Rice, Julian Edelman as only players with 100 playoff catches. NBC Sports. Chiefs tight end Travis Kelce can join an exclusive club today. In other California news, I'm willing to die, NC man refuses life-saving kidney transplant over vaccine requirement. WRAL News. Winston-Salem, NC. A North Carolina man is turning down a life-saving kidney transplant, because the hospital is requiring he be vaccinated against COVID before the procedure. That's it, California. Have a good one. To help support improvement of our show, please click subscribe. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).